Hey, Antonio here. Hey, Antonio here, Movement Code. Again, kind of tying all the pieces together, one of the great exercises that we can do for not only shoulder stability, strength, but also from a hip mobility perspective, but then even more globally is how we tie everything together and how we get a lot of these pieces working is doing slightly unstable patterning positions where we're required to do a goal or an activity. So in this case, we're going to a split or a tall kneeling or a half kneeling stance, and we're going to be doing an overhead press, okay? So I'm going to slightly angle this up a little bit more. I just realized we can't see it. So if I'm in this position here, so I'm in my half kneeling here, I got my kettlebell. I'm going to pop this up. So this is a bottoms up overhead press. Half kneeling forces me to be nice and tall. Core is going to be nice and set because this overhead or this bottoms up position. And then from there, I'm just going to reach overhead. Now I can hold this to try to just train that balance position, or we can actually go through sets and reps. So there's one, right? So I'm working on mid-back extension, shoulder stability, shoulder mobility, hip mobility. There's a lot of different moving parts going on here. I would suggest practicing this motion with a lighter kettlebell first and foremost, and second of all, standing, just because you're a little bit more, you're in a better position that if it does fall, you can control it, and then progress to this to, again, tie all of those pieces together that we're trying to hit. So this is a half kneeling, bottoms up kettlebell press.